What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video where today we'll be drawing a lighthouse landscape. In part 1, I will show you the basic sketch of the lighthouse with the graphite pencil. For this series, you'll need all the materials on the screen. Let's begin. First off, make a boundary of your workspace with masking tape. The dimensions are around 7.8 inches to 5 inches. Take your graphite pencil and figure out the horizon line of your drawing. It should be around the middle. From there, start to find the basic shapes of the buildings on the island. Make sure to be very light with your applications because it's the very early stage of your drawing.
Get to making with jive, boy, take shot. When it hits you, yes, in the air, yeah. Yes, you shot. When it hits you, yes, in the air.
After you finish drawing the buildings, start working on the cliff face below it. If you ever need to catch up, don't forget that you can pause the video anytime you like.
You holler, yes.
1, 2, 3.
After doing this, you should have a very basic and very light contour line drawing of your lighthouse. Now it's time to add some detail. With the same 2H pencil, add a little more pressure and go over your light contour line drawing, adding the details that you see. When working on the cliff face, make sure to not get carried away with the line drawing because we will be adding pen and ink afterwards. Once you're done drawing the cliff face with the grass on it, that's it. Your contour line drawing of a lighthouse is done and you're ready for your pen and ink applications. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for when I post part 2. That's it, folks. Have a great rest of your day and I'll see you next time.